Hey, what's up guys, this is me Uday and you are watching Tech Surge, and in this video I will unbox and review Petron Tangent Lite Wireless Bluetooth Neckband, which is the cheapest neckband under 500 rupees. So before we get started, if you are new to our channel then do subscribe and press the bell notification icon to get notified every time I post a new video. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So this is the box of Petron Tangent Lite Wireless Neckband. At the back of the box the specifications are mentioned. So it has playback time of about 6 hours. The battery capacity is 125 mAh. The charging time is 1.5 hours. The transmission range is 10 meters and it has drivers of 10 mm. Now it also has 1 year warranty with it, and the price mentioned at the back is 1800 rupees, but it is available for 500 rupees only. Now let us unbox this and see what we have in it. So first of all we get the neckband itself. Now let us keep this aside and see what else do we have. So we get a micro USB charging cable to charge these neckband, extra earbuds and a user manual. Now let us take out the neckband. So this one is in black and yellow color, and there are 3 more color variant options like black, black and green and black and red. At the left side of the neckband we get the Petron branding, and on the right side we get the controls, the LED indicator, the microphone and the charging port. Now to connect this neckband with your smartphone, you need to long press the multi-function button of this neckband and open Bluetooth in your device. Now in the pairing mode you have to click on Petron Tangent Lite, and this is how you can connect this neckband with your device. Now talking about the build quality of the neckband, it is not that bad. In fact it is quite good considering the price. The neckband is very lightweighted and flexible, so you can even twist it but it will not break. Also you can use it for long hours without any discomfort, and the cables are tangle free flat wire cable. Now talking about the magnetic earbuds, so these are made of half plastic and half metal. The magnets are quite strong and the design and fitting is good. Now talking of the sound quality, so it has 10 mm drivers that make good loudness. The highs and lows are also good, but the bass is a bit low, and you can feel some noise cancellation at maximum volume. Also I have tried playing PUBG with it, but the latency is too high and it is not at all made for gaming. So overall I will say the sound quality is decent, but still under this price it is better than various earphones. So now I have been using this neckband for more than 10 days and I will say the battery capacity is very good, the connectivity is also fast and the transmission range is also very good. So if you only need a Bluetooth neckband under the budget of 600 or 700 rupees, then this is something you should consider checking out. So the best buy link will be in the description section from where you can buy this. And that's it in this video. If you enjoyed it or if you found this helpful, then do give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.